Hey, it's John with your test whip of the week. It's the Genesis G70. The Genesis G70 is a beautiful sedan, just nominated for North American Car of the Year. This color here, it may look black, but it's actually black forest. It's in the green family. Spacious trunk and a netting to hold on to some things. Beautiful beige interior cabin, well executed design, and ample legroom with the seats fully reclined. The interior of the Genesis has a sophisticated design, well executed, and there's also my favorite, a sunroof. Push button start, main, entertainment and navigation console, heating and cooling, and your USB and other auxiliary functions. Drive mode, parking, and mirror controls. Move the seats from the side. Safety and other car functions. Traditional dash and drive functions on the steering wheel. Genesis G70, luxury.